Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really wanted a nice set of stainless steel bowls for my kitchen, and I'm so happy that I found these from Umite. This is a 6-piece set of stainless steel bowls, and they're super cool because they come with covers as well. All of the bowls, even the small size, is a deep style. So you can really fit a lot into these bowls. They're great for messy recipes with flour or things that splash. They even work with your electric mixer so that you can mix everything right into the same bowl without having to worry about multiple pieces. The bowls are really nice on the bottom as well because they have a rubber part on the bottom so they don't slip around while you're working with them. I love that I can make something in the bowl and then I can cover it if needed or required by the recipe, or just store it in the fridge for whenever I need that recipe. The bowls are well made, they feel durable, and they're super easy to clean as well because they're a deep bowl. So if you're looking for a nice set that all coordinates together, this would make an awesome gift for someone that's just starting out, or if you need an upgrade yourself in your kitchen. But that's my point of view.